Okay, we're gonna make some cookies. Let's add, what's first? Egg. And then we're going to add some, what should we add next? Let's add some blue food dye and some green to make it darker. That's just dark food dyeing, but it's made green. Let's add a lemon, because we're making lemon cake. Let's add some gold to make it shine. Let's add this, like, gold cushy, like, I don't know what it is, like a squishy. And let's add some flour. Let's mix it all up. And so this is the cake that we made. It's a really good popper. So let's just do one round of popping, and then it'll be good to make another video later. And then this one always, this is a good popper.